I tried Haveno wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Haveno wallet app, people described it as a privacy-first alternative to centralized exchanges. That got my attention, and after using it for 7 days, I found out the truth is even more interesting. Haveno isn't your typical crypto wallet. It's actually a decentralized exchange built on top of Monero, one of the most private cryptocurrencies on the planet. This means you can trade Bitcoin, Monero, and other assets directly peer-to-peer without any third party watching or controlling your funds. Setting it up took a bit longer than usual because of its strong focus on security. I downloaded the app, created my wallet, and connected it to the Monero network. Once inside, I noticed something refreshing: no sign-ups, no kick, no linking bank accounts, just full privacy and control. During my 7 days, I made a few trades and the process felt completely anonymous. Every transaction is protected by Monero's cryptography, hiding both the sender and the amount. The built-in escrow system adds an extra layer of trust. It ensures both sides hold up their end of the trade before releasing funds. But of course, it's not perfect. Since Haveno is still early in development, liquidity is limited, meaning trades can take longer to match. The interface also feels a bit technical compared to mainstream wallets like Coinbase or Binance. However, for privacy lovers, that's a small price to pay. By the end of the week, my conclusion was clear. Haveno isn't for everyone. It's for people who truly value privacy, security, and freedom from centralized control. The shocking truth: Haveno isn't just a wallet or an exchange, it's a statement. It proves that true financial privacy still exists, even in a world where most crypto platforms have started acting like banks.